Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S86 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And from the homepage of Google Pay, you can add payment method or different types of cards. From the menu, you've got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. In Contactless Setup, you can set payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and in the end access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.